viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing beautiful and budget-friendly Christmas decoration ideas wrapped inside of heartwarming story head will take you straight into the cozy magic of the holidays. So grab warm cup of cocoa and let's begin. The story begins with a little family living in a small snow-covered town. Every year, the mother Sarah loves decorating their home for Christmas, but this year felt special because it was the first Christmas after her son had learned to decoration and decorate things himself. The house was not big, their budget was not huge, but their hearts were full of excitement. On a cold December morning, Sarah said, "This time we are going to create our decorations ourselves because Christmas is not about how expensive things are, it's about the love you put them." For their first project, brought out old glass jar, she showed how to paint the jar light with glue and sprinkle salt or sugar to create a snow effect. Inside, they placed a small LED candle. When lit it, the room glowed with warm soft magic lights. Take any empty jar, apply white glue around the outside, sprinkle salt, sugar. These are things you need. The small ribbon at the top, add a tea light candle inside. Simple, cozy, and stunning. And the lantern glow on the table. Her son whispered, "Mom, it looked like real vintage and winter magic." Sarah smiled. Their home was starting to feel alive. They moved to their next decoration